cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our Precut Taillight Tint, but what you might not know is that Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to windowtechdesignz.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this Nissan Armada, and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lens from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillight lens. So you're going to need baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. So this is your slip solution, and apply it onto the lens and remove all the contaminants that the taillight may have, and also remove any contaminants around the surrounding area. That way, in case the film does touch the paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And if you do happen to have contaminants that you weren't able to remove with the slip solution, you can also use tag solution. This contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. You would just spray it onto the microfiber towel and just remove the remaining contaminants that you may have. That's only if you weren't able to remove the contaminants with just the slip solution. Okay, and then once we're done with the prep, we can start with the installation. So to start with the installation, apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And you want to start by aligning the film right where the curve starts happening. That way it stays aligned here. So make sure you match it to the edge and then match it up top too. So make sure it's aligned here and here and here. Once you have it aligned, lift it carefully and apply tag solution underneath the film and on top. Grab your squeegee, hold it in position with one hand, and then with your squeegee slowly tack it down to secure the film. Work your way on top. Remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film. Make sure there's no bubbles left over. And then once we're done tacking down the film, we can apply heat around the edges. That way the film doesn't lift over time. So you can use a heat gun or a hair dryer. Just apply heat, use the lowest setting. Apply heat on the edges. And as you apply heat, grab your microfiber towel to help the edges tack down. And once we secured the entire film, we can move on with piece number 2 that covers this section here. For piece number 2, it is this piece here that looks like this. So when you have it, just start by aligning it here. With this one, we are doing the dry installation method, so we don't need no solution in order to do the installation. It's just more of placing the film, aligning it, and making sure we don't leave any air bubbles. So as you're tacking down the film, make sure to keep it aligned and tack it down slowly. And if you happen to have any fingers, just lift the film carefully and readjust it to prevent creasing the film, since we are doing the dry method. Make sure to remove all of the air and do the same for the bottom. Lift it carefully, work your way here, and then place it here. So it should be like this, and remove all the bubbles underneath the film. And now we just need to apply heat to seal the edges, just how we did it with this piece. Apply heat, that way the film doesn't lift over time. But before you apply heat, just make sure you don't have no bubbles underneath the film. Okay, so just grab your heat device, start applying heat to seal the film. Okay, so for this one, same process. Apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film onto the lens carefully. And we're going to start off by aligning the film to the edge right here of the taillight. So align it here, and as you align it here, make sure you align this entire section up to here too as well. Once you have it aligned, lift the film carefully, apply tank solution underneath and on top. Grab your squeegee and start securing this section of the tint. Once this section is secured, we just need to start stretching the film section by section. So we're going to start from the bottom, stretching it up till we reach to the edge in order to remove this small little finger. So just a light stretch and tack down. And if you're having trouble stretching the film, lift it carefully and apply slip solution. So stretch, tack down. Okay, should be good here. And now do the same here. Lift it, and we're going to stretch just a little bit going up to remove this finger here. So upward and then stretch. Okay, and then to remove the fingers that you may encounter in the middle section here, we're going to carefully break them down with our finger and apply heat. And as we apply heat, we're just going to help it separate like this. So grab your heat gun, start applying heat where you see the fingers. And as you're applying heat, start helping it tack down. Okay, and that's how you remove the fingers on this section. If some do start coming up again, just make sure to apply heat where you see those fingers and just help it tack down. Don't forget about the fingers on the bottom here. And we should be good. And now just make sure before you move on to this piece, make sure this entire section is tacked down. Remove all the solution that's trapped underneath the middle section here. Because of the type of tail light it is here, the design, it goes inside, so we need to make sure there's no solution trapped underneath the film, because if we leave any solution over time, the film's just going to lift. So once you finish removing the solution underneath, just apply heat to start sealing. That way the film stays tacked down here. Okay, and then once this section is secure, we move on to the last step here. Okay, so for this last section here, we just need to make sure to lift the film carefully. If you do feel it did get dry, just carefully lift it and peel it. Stop around here because this is where the cutout ends. And then apply slip solution. That way we're able to place the film down. And then stretch it to the top and to the edge here. That way help remove the fingers that we had here. And then apply tack solution underneath the film. Make sure it stays positioned. Apply tack solution on top and start securing it. Okay, and then right here we will need to apply heat. That way the film stays tacked down. So lift it. That way the film overlaps with the section here in the bottom, and then we'll apply heat to seal it. So just go ahead and grab your heat device, start applying heat throughout the entire top section. Make sure to remove all the fingers. And then focus on this section here where the film is overlapping. Okay, and now that we're done with the installation, the last thing to do would be to post heat. Okay, so for the post heating part, you're going to need your tack solution, a clean microfiber towel, and a heat device. So just grab your tack solution, spray it onto the entire lens. And then with our heat gun, using the lowest setting, apply heat evenly throughout the entire lens. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And if there's still any fingers or any edges that are still lifting, we could help it tack down by using the heat and tagging it down with our microfiber towel. So as you're applying heat, tack it down. Take your time doing this process, and then once you're done with the step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the tail light tints for the Nissan Armada. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Don't forget to check out our other tint kits for the Nissan Armada. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.